we have a product going on here, so I'm going to go like this. U is this one, t to the 1/2 power. I always write it as powers instead of roots when I'm taking the derivative. Okay, v is a plus bt. U prime is 1/2 t, when I subtract 1, negative 1/2. V prime, the derivative of a, that's a constant, it's 0, and the derivative of bt is b. That's it. Now let's just put it together. I'm going to pair this original up with the other one's derivative and add it to this one paired up with the other one's derivative. So I have this. F prime of t is equal to b t to the 1/2 power plus 1/2 t to the negative 1/2 power times a plus bt. All right, that's it. That's the derivative. Usually, for just cleaning it up purposes, if they give it to you in radical form, you should try to give it back. Let me just do that real quick, even though it's not 100% necessary. F prime of t is equal to b root t plus 1/2 root t. If it's a negative exponent, I can reciprocate it so it's positive down there, right? And then on top I have a plus bt.